Okay, just to give you a quick overview of how you'll be completing your attendance as well as your assignments. Uh, Whenever you go into your assignment, you'll see something similar like this. What I want you to make sure of is to please make sure that you're going to answer all questions, and it'll say assignment questions. Now, this is really going to be expansive, as pretty much what I'm affording you in the event that you do not have your textbooks, that you'll have something to work with. So part of your chapter will be found within your assignments. So as you're reading, here you see you'll find the chapter's outline, and right here you'll find that it says assignment questions. Anytime you see that, then the expectation will be that you will answer all of those questions in that category. So for example, in this assignment, you see those first 4 questions. Those are questions that you'll need to answer. Now, you'll have to continue reading, and as you see, it goes further and continues on. And just so nobody gets confused, that's why I'm just pointing out areas that you need to be looking for. Anytime you see, again, assignment questions, that I expect that you will answer those questions. In this one, it'll be 3 questions that you'll answer. Here you'll see you'll have another 2. And you continue going on. As you continue reading, you'll find that information. And then more than likely after a particular section, you'll see where it says assignment questions, as so. Again here. Now there are also going to be times, and let me see if this particular chapter has what I'm wanting to talk to you about. I believe there's Mythbuster questions. Okay, well, as you can see, this chapter has a lot of questions for you to answer. All the work within a week for this chapter. It's a big chapter. So, but here we go. Mythbusters. Anytime you see Mythbusters, then this is going to be a discussion board topic question. There'll be only one board that'll be called Mythbusters. So when you go to respond, because you may have several chapters within the textbook that you're going to wind up answering these questions for. The expectation is that you'll go over to the discussion board. You'll click on that Mythbuster discussion. When you go to put your response in about if they're asking you questions or anything on that nature, then please, in your entry, make sure you put the chapter so that I know that you're discussing that chapter specifically. But I just wanted to point out how you'll go about completing your assignments, and you'll be able to either utilize the text entry, or you'll be able to upload a Word document. Please make sure that you write this in your own words. Do not cut and paste from the information found in the assignment, as that's considered plagiarizing. I would like to see this in your own words. The more that you allow yourself to read it, organize it within your mind, and then be able to express it in your own words, the more information you'll be able to retain. So that is just a quick brief explanation on how you'll complete assignments. Of course, if you have any questions in regards to how to complete the assignments, do feel free to check with me in the inbox here, or if not there, you can send me an email. But I prefer that you use Canvas, as I get that much faster than I do emails. Anyway, and I'm just scrolling up. As you can see, this is the big assignment. But anyway, that's how I want you to tackle all the assignments. Okay, again, you're going to find that they look intense because I'm providing you with reading materials, but the questions is what I want you to answer. Now, you don't have to type out the questions again. Just make sure that you're numbering them and utilizing the section. So for example, in this, when you go to answer these questions, you would put for social, moral, and personality development. Then you can do assignment questions and number them as such. And if that section has several, just keep going. As long as I see the sections, then I'll know. So that's had 4 above. Since this is still part of that section, you can just go 5, 6, 7, and I'll be able to understand. Okay. All right. On that note, that's instructions for your assignments, and happy working.